Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we are checking out this brand new 2025 Sunseeker 2400 BDS Class C Motorhome by Forestriver RV. This one is on the Mercedes chassis. This was also ordered with one of their available exterior paint jobs. You have a very nice large power awning here, LED light strip up there, traditional porch light. It was ordered with 12 volt smart TV out here as well. Gas electric water heater, furnace exhausting out here, and some storage down below. Has a couple JBL speakers out here as well. Now on the back side back here, you are going to have one of your 3 cameras. There's actually a camera here on the back up high. There's a camera down each side as well. It does have towing style hitch on the back with the 7-way Bargman wiring plug. I just wanted to hop up here real quick and kind of show you also what it looks like up top here. Solar panel over there, AC, Wingard Air 360 plus TV antenna system, skylight, antennas up here, you know, a few different roof vents and stuff up here as well. You can also kind of see the top of those slide out awning covers over there. But very nicely done here on the roof. One piece fiberglass roof up top also. So that's a little bit more of a fancier roof system that you find on here compared to your traditional travel trailers. But what do you guys think of this paint job? Do you kind of like the coloring and stuff on it? On around to this side over here, you're going to have your detachable 30 amp power cord. You got some water inlets here, black tank flush. You also have your outside utility shower. You're going to have generator on this unit down below, more storage, propane up front. Little storage underneath or behind the sofa area, depending on how you order it. Very nice fiberglass front nose cap as well. Let's kind of open up our door here. Check this out. You're going to have your power seats, power mirrors, power door locks and stuff all right here. A little bit of storage in the door areas as well. And then your fuel up is right here next to your entry. Let's step inside here real quick and kind of check it out a little better. You're going to have power step getting you in and out right here. You also have your traditional RV entry door and screen door here as well. You're going to have house batteries located right here under this step section. This was ordered with the auto level jack system, so your controls are here. Battery disconnect, your awning in and out buttons, some light switches, solar charge controller. You do have a little extension here for countertop area. This one was ordered with the theater seat feature instead of the standard sofa. Some overhead cabinet space, skylight up above, a couple JBL speakers in here, large turbo exhaust fan. You have the GE air conditioner in here that is ducted. The Wingard Air 360 Plus antenna again on the roof, but it also has the Gateway Connect that you could subscribe to like Verizon or AT&T or something like that and take the internet with you. You're going to have JBL stereo right there, your monitor panel there. There's even a little subwoofer and some stuff down here too. High-rise sprayer faucet, induction stovetop. You got the convection microwave system down here. 12 volt Furrion refrigerator system. Going to have some storage over here. They have the magnetic catches, kind of hidden hinges. And back here you will have some closet space and some more drawer space down below. Going to have your AC and propane furnace controls right there. You got your Smart TV back here for the bedroom area. Again, it is a 12-volt TV. Slide out button back here. So your bed right here is on a slide out, and then the sofa is on a second slide out. Again, you have these Euro style windows with the built-in screen and night shades as well. Bathroom wise, you are going to have a step-in shower back here. Porcelain foot flush toilet. Skylight up above. There is AC and heat in here as well. And then you have a nice little medicine cabinet area here. Sink area, some storage under there as well. And then you have these little flip hook holders. Some on the back of the door too. On the front overhang, you are going to have a little bunk area. You could use it for sleeping or storage, whatever you prefer. This section here is removable. There's a ladder that goes here. It's mounted right over there, but you can hook that in if you want to get up there and actually use it for that purpose. Again, you got the screen or the blind, depending on which way you want to use it. But you can separate it and open it up, or latch it together and just kind of move it around. Another 12-volt smart TV right there. Your seats up here will spin around, so you can actually use them while you're just kind of camped out up here. And then you again have a very nice kind of cockpit area here with your Mercedes equipment and stuff. There's a lot of details. I've done some of these models before where I kind of go through all the navigation systems, you know, your cruises, your lane departures, all the different types of stuff. But very, very nice setup here again on that Mercedes chassis here. What do you guys think of this? And then there is the backup camera built into the what looks like a rear view mirror there, but that actually is a camera system that again points down each side and also on the back of the RV. Now you can order these at Couch's RV Nation. Sometimes they have them in stock, or you can actually custom order them. Talk with them about maybe doing some of that type of stuff if you're again interested or not in the brand new 2025 Sunseekers that they sell there. They also sell a brand called Entrada by East to West. You can also check those out at Couch's RV Nation as well, guys. If you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button. Help out the channel. If you haven't done so already, please remember to subscribe. And again, do yourself a favor and check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation. Thanks again.